Ivindani enenthi meteele kwa ivinda yambee kutania sikuku ya uvandi wa Miti wakwambiliilya ukite silikali yienda Mbunge ivathie bajeti nini ya kutooea enenthi Miti ila mavandite ivuiyoni ta nzia imwe ya kutwiika mwolooto wa President William Ruto wa kuvita uvandi wa Miti bilioni 15 nthini wa miaka 10 yukite. Uni kuyanana nake Minister muveani wa mawithiuluko na mititu mwandu Soipan Tuya ula ukuweta savali yesa kuungama kielelo kinene cha kusukuma kini kwa ilia mawithiuluko Ivindani waliokuwa nzeve wende kukusi wa nthi yonthe. Livyotiumbanitwe niwe Benjamin Mwaka.
Silikali ni tangazi ya wakwambiliilya ukite ni sikuku ya mwana ya kiwia ya uvandi wa Miti mwolooto Ivitukithye ni nzama minister uungamino wa President William Ruto. Kielelo kinene ni kwa ilia na kusuvia mawithiuluko na yu na muthenya utanamba kuvika. Minister muveani wa mawithiuluko mwandu Soipan Tuya egweta vaina Miti ya kuyana ya Kuvanda kutwiika vina muvango o.
One of the biggest challenge we are dealing with is seedling availability. We have private sector seedlings available, but we don't have budgets for buying the seedlings.
Avikite mbe wanzama Mbunge ya mawithiuluko mwandu Soipan no wathingila kana silikali nene thina wendi museo kuyanisya uvandi wa Miti mbe wa bilioni 10 nthini wa miaka 10 yukite. Aiweta kwa oyu silikali ithitwe yikwatya mivia minini ya silikali na ngava syosese ikuyanisya muvango wa kuthooea Miti ya uvandi.
So what we've done is to engage ministries and departments and agencies of government that have free labor available. NYS, correctional services, the National Police Service, the KDF, to help in seedling production. So we now have seedling available for at least for the short range because of that arrangement. But Chair, one of the things that I know the PS for forestry will talk about, we need to have money allocated for seedling purchasing of seedlings.
Yu silikali kuislamu vyao ni ya Mbunge ivathie kinandukisyo nthini wa bajeti nini ukite no kana kuthooea Miti kuma kwa enenthi na makundi kathukanywa matema kisilikali no kana kuikithya ni mianu kuvika ikono ciothe cia nthi isesoni thi ya uvandi bila ivanie kwambia kwa mutia kwi wakwambiliilya.
You know, the moment the president announced 15 billion trees, the youth women went into a frenzy to develop tree nurseries across the country, and they are all over. When you go to we have many seedlings, but we cannot access because we don't have budgets for that. So for the short term, we are using the departments of government to produce the seedling. But Chair, please, we will talk about that during the forestry presentation. We need to discuss that, and there is goodwill from the executive that we actually look for money and a very transparent and accountable way of buying seedlings from Kenyans who have put in a lot of effort to produce them.
Nigwani hula wakwatwa mbau ni nzama ya Mbunge ya mawithiuluko na mititu iweta ni ivinda mwolooto wa kuvanda Miti uthukumithwe na woneke uthikika uvandini undumu na kusuvia Miti ngima thiane.
It can never even be a good idea. It is an idea that has to be actualized. But most importantly, and that is what you have asked, is that for the net fund, which is a department within the Ministry of Environment, for them to do their work. Source for funding. Tell those donors that we have women groups, youth groups, other Kenyans have planted a lot of trees in their nurseries. But the government cannot be able to absorb that because we don't have the funding. So we have asked Net Fund to do a proposal asking different donors to be able to bring in their money, and then we can be able, on only one purpose, to buy seedlings.
Vilingi wa mauvoku mamusini wa ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.